guys, I'm here with another wild nature video. Today we'll be taking you through the trail in Chipese. Like this trees, houses, a small path at the river towards the it's going towards the mineral, but it's facing north. So just the site. Swimming pool, there's a distance. So guys, I'm gonna be handing it over to the main wild nature producer, shall I say. She's having a birthday today, so I shall introduce her in a moment.
Hello guys, how are you? Monkeys running. Today is my birthday. I'm the main of the wild nature producer.
One of the big trees in South Africa. Hello, good day guys and viewers of Wild Nature. My name is Joshi. Today we are in the Chipese Resort, and just look at this magnificent sycamore fig tree, one of the big five in South Africa. It's having a beautiful roots and it's growing along the banks of the mineral spring, hot water mineral spring at Chipese. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, and keep on subscribing and sharing with us.
Small flowing pond, pipe at your right hand side. The water ain't flowing that much, it's like steady, Drying area for the people that like stay here and near other nonsense. Car.
Just walking down trail. Beautiful place is Chipese for our resort. Monkey is lot of monkeys is here and they are playing. This monkey jumping in the top of the roof. Another is looking food.
So far, if you guys are enjoying this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and share to others to grow our content.
You subscribe my channel.
Monkey doing some monkey magic.